If you are a USDJPY trader, either on the 1-day chart or 4-hour chart, I'm going to show you something that is very important on this very chart right now in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. Before we dive right into the details, if you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. On the USD JPY chart, I've been talking about market moving upward after a breakout of this very level of resistance, which is a key resistance where we see market retrace back to the downside from, and market begin to move upward right here, and this breakout occurred. Now market is creating new close at this very point where it is right now, and it's very important for us to pay attention to the fact that this market is going to still continue upward. That is my own expectation. I am expecting that this market should continue this movement upward, because if you look at what has happened right at this very point, we have this very level of support. This was a close right at this point, and now market is moving upward. So taking this very level of resistance into consideration to this very area, discover that market is creating a new close at this very point right now, and I believe this very candle is going to close higher than this very candle right here. So expect the market to continue this movement to the upside on USDJPY. What that means is you should be looking for buy position. You should be looking for buy opportunity on your chart. That is, if you want to buy the market, USDJPY is in a buy directional bias, and you need to pay attention to that when you are trading. And on the 4-hour chart here, if you look at the 4-hour chart, something very different is happening as well. A breakout here from this very level of resistance is ongoing right now, yet to be confirmed. If you look at what the market has done before, at this very point was a resistance, breakout, market move a little bit into this very point, and right now we are seeing this very breakout happening right now. So what we need to do is to wait for this very candle to close. So a close of this very candle above this very resistance at this very point, and this other resistance at this very area, will mean that the market is going to move to the upside. So I am expecting that market continue this movement upward. Okay, so expect that once this very candle forming right now close above these two candles that we see right here at these two resistance. So once we see that very close, then market is going to continue this movement to the upside, and this is what I am expecting right now on the chart. So pay attention to the market moving upward once we see this very close on USDJPY 4-hour chart, and this will give you a buy signal for the market to continue its movement to the upside in favor of the USD. Like I told you in one of my videos, what we do as a Forex trader is to trade a stronger currency to a weak currency. So if you are trading weak to weak currency, that means you're going to be in a choppy market, and if you are trading strong versus a strong currency, and it also means that you're going to be in a choppy market, and you want to be in that situation, because when you are trading, you want to make a trade and then see that very trade move in your predicted direction, and for that to happen, you must look for a currency that is strong and pair it with a weak currency, or you find a stronger currency and you pair it with a weaker currency. So that is what you need to do right now. I am expecting that USDJPY should continue this movement to the upside after this breakout for a buy opportunity. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Thanks for watching today's video.